Today I'm showing you a very nice bed and breakfast in the village of Papiano, which is a small village in the area of Marsciano, between Perugia and Todi. As you can see, it's a nice house built about 100 years ago. It's in a small village. And we enter directly the corridor in the living area, the apartment of the owners themselves. Here we have the kitchen, very spacious kitchen with modern utensils and everything. There is a wooden fireplace and a large closet behind it. Okay. Here is a bedroom. One of the children who has this room. This is the door to the stairs. I'll show you later where the bed and breakfast is. Here is another bedroom. I'll just show you the room here. Okay. And over here is a large bedroom with beautiful paintings here. This used to be the living room of the house. Okay? Every room has 2 windows. It's a real Casa Padronale, as they call it. And here is the bathroom of the first floor. Okay, I'll show you. Put the lights, turn the lights on. Okay. Okay. So then from here we go up to the first or the second floor actually. I'll show you first where the bed and breakfast rooms are. Each floor is about 100 square meters. Okay, so this is the corridor of the main of the bed and breakfast area, floor. As you can see, there's a beautiful view onto the village on the other side, and this is the garden where you see the cypresses. It's a small garden. There is enough room to put a swimming pool in if you want. Okay, this is one of the rooms. Very cozy. With, as I said, 2 windows and a bathroom. Hello. Okay. Okay. Here is another room which at the moment is occupied, so I won't show that, but it's about the same as the others. They are quite similar to each other. Okay, here we have room number 3. All rooms have air conditioning plus heating. See, there is the bedroom and the bathroom. Here is room, this is the back view. This is room number 4. Okay. With 2 beds and a bathroom. Okay. You have nice views from here to the neighbors on one side and an old church on the other side, the garden where we came from, and then on the other side there are other neighbors as well. Okay, and to the front there is this lovely little village. Then up here I'll show you very quickly. There is the attic, which needs, if you want, you could restore this area here. This is still a real attic room with roof and wooden beams. There are 4 rooms here as well, so if you want, you could turn these two into bedrooms as well. Okay, there's another room over there. On the roof there is a solar panel unit which produces electricity. So that is very useful for saving money on your energy costs. Okay, here we go down. Now we'll go down all the way from, so this, close the door one moment. Okay, so we go down all the way to the bottom of the property. So it's 4 floors. This is the floor we came from with the living area, and here we enter lower ground floor, where there is the breakfast room. Here we go. Okay, and an exit to the garden. Here is the breakfast room. As you can see, it's a nice room. And on the other side, there is a very nice, large sitting room, perfect for living. The people who live here have their kitchen and bedrooms up on the ground floor and use this room as their living and sitting room and office as well. Okay. All right. Well, okay, then of course there is a bathroom here to the back and another storage room which could be used, a large room actually, it still could be used for several purposes, as another bedroom if you want. And here is another last bathroom with laundry, which is also very useful. Okay, now we go out into the garden one moment, and I'll show you the part from outside. Okay, here we are. Here is the garden, and the village is really beautiful from here. Okay, and that's the neighboring house, and this is the house itself, our bed and breakfast. The price is 399,000 euros. It's 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. A restored roof with solar panels, air conditioning everywhere, license for bed and breakfast. So if you're interested, go to number CD524 on our website, www.lecasadidori.com. Okay, bye bye.